You will kill me today. You will kill me today, idiot. Stupid man. You are mad. Stop. This man, are you blessed man? Idiot.
Calm down, relax. Calm down now.
This is where I go finish him.
I think this girl are your babe now. What killer? What's happening? You won't kill her. See your face.
This man is doing this.
Hey, make I tell you. Okay, wait. Because you just come, you don't know anything. Now me, Mariam. Now this let's get. If I go walk like this, before I come back, cho. Tell your mouth when you get break. You go me.
Calm down.
I'm not your wife.
You dey hear now?
Idiot.
Okay.
See the house that this stupid man is living.
Calm down.
Banana Island.
Calm down.
You know good.
Relax,
Idiot.
guys. Relax. Okay. You don't know say she be your before you marry her. You don't know.
I don't know. Now club Asana. Useless club.
See her face now.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. This man is very useless. Woman beater. Idiot, stupid man!
Calm down.
Stupid!
Okay.
Calm down.
Let me get this here.
Calm down.
Idiot!
You know say you be human beater before you marry him. You don't know.
I wonder.
You don't know.
I wonder.
Guys, I think I have to tell you something right now. Let me tell you something right now, guys. Let me tell you something. Come, leave her. Let me tell you something. I have a small story.
I will just finish you.
I have a small story to tell you guys. Calm down. Will you listen to me? Let me tell you something.
Bro, stop. We are all tired. You can just rest. You know what, guys? What? Every junction I've been to in this Maxwell estate is giving me that Canada vibe, and I love it.
Love what? Exactly my point. Everything is just new, and I have missed my former estate.
I also do.
You are not.
But I like this place.
That's why I love how people call me Martin.
Yes. We are all Martizens.
You are not me.
guys. Normal. I the issue.
Okay, man, listen. You are hungry?
Of course.
Please, who is doing the cooking?
You.
Why me now?
Oh, hey.
Guys. All this cooking, I'm tired. Let's get a chef. Don't worry, I'll be paying your salary. Okay?
Her salary? Tell us more about her. Have you found that girl that has agreed to stay with 5 men in one apartment?
That is the point. Exactly my point.
Guys, you have a good point. But why can't you just employ a male? Let's employ a male now.
Nah. That is beside the point. It's off the point. A male could steal our belongings and run away with it. How are we gonna do it?
You guys want to be doing men to men.
I know what you're talking about. You are such a bad guy.
Guys, I think getting married is the best solution to our problem.
Getting married! Oh, I got you, bro.
That is off the point.
They are here for you. They are here for you.
You have the whole point.
What?
What are you talking about?
They are there now.
You're still on them. You are such a drama king. Just go. Have your thing done. Go.
I should go.
The floor is yours.
That's what you want to say.
Go. You know what? Represent us well.
I got you, bro. I'll give you 100.
Go.
Hi, pretty.
my face now.
Hello girls.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Fine.
My name is Philip. And you?
I'm Nancy. She's Susanna, Esther, Cynthia, Beauty and Angel.
Oh, can I tell you one thing?
What's that?
You are all beautiful.
Thank you.
You know what, guys? I think God has answered ARINZE's prayer.
Really?
Because those girls are beautiful. They are wife materials.
Really?
Although they are not bad, I think I'm falling for one of them already. Yeah, because I think this is the high time. I think we should leave a bachelor market.
So, I think we should choose our partners now.
Who do you go for?
Please, guys, please. Hello. That beauty is taken already.
Beauty.
Of course, yeah.
Please. Oh.
Okay. Yeah.
Wait, guys. As you all know that truth and grace cannot be separated.
Yes.
I go for Angel.
Angel?
Because Angel is the grace, I am the truth.
Wow! See the combination.
Yeah.
Angelic.
So you're actually going for Angel.
Yeah. I go for Angel.
Wow!
Angel is grace.
This is becoming interesting.
Very, very.
Wow. So, you're not talking. You're not saying anything.
I mean, why do you have to include me in this conversation?
Because you have to contribute.
Contribute to what? Exactly.
About this conversation.
Let me tell you guys, calm down. You don't need to talk about it. I'm thinking the most beautiful girls of all.
The most beautiful girl?
Okay, I see.
Is that supposed to be? Beautiful girl.
I'm interested.
Esther.
Hello, darling.
Wow.
We shall see.
Who is this?
Oh my.
Wow.
I want you guys to enjoy yourself.
Open it now.
Timo.
Come on.
His hand is shaking.
Just
Next
Wow. This is great.
Wow.
Just let me have this for my babe. Oh, babe.
Please, my baby, my baby.
Oh, God.
Thank you. Oh, that's my guy.
Young man. Put it there.
They play.
Pour inside now.
Pour it now.
Come and pick.
Harry.
ARINZE.
Harry.
ARINZE.
I can see you guys are enjoying yourself.
Baby.
You know what, guys?
How is that?
I was thinking maybe next week Friday we could just go for clubbing. What do you think?
Oh.
That would be nice, yeah.
Yeah, it's cool.
Bad girl.
What happened?
What is that?
Wow.
What is that?
It's like something.
Are you okay? Do you need water?
What's that?
Are you okay?
Should we get you water?
Are you good?
Do you need water?
I'm fine. I can't just take them off you.
I got it there.
Oh my God. You know.
I got it there,
Love
bro.
is actually a beautiful thing.
Yeah.
Love is amazing. I love everything about love.
Yeah.
Mr. Loverboy.
Wait. I don't know what happened to my hands.
Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you drama king?
You know what? I'm the one that made this possible. All this possible, you know? I'm the king of the toaster of the toaster. I'm the manager of the blind.
You know what?
Okay.
Are you kidding? You are a bloody liar.
Oh, really?
Have you forgotten? I told you to represent us well But you did.
Bro, I got you, bro. My guy!
Oh my God.
Guys, calm down. But do you know something?
What's that?
I got the most beautiful of all. No cap about that. But guy, you deserve to be celebrated.
Wow! You're a man!
I'm the one. I'm the one. For that one, you try. You know what? You are all beautiful.
Thank you.
So amazing. Everything about you. You are exceptional. Your beauty is exceptional. Yeah, so guys, this is the most important part. So among you ladies, who is doing the cooking?
I think Cynthia should be able to do that.
Sorry. Please, I don't know how to cook.
What? I think someone else should do that.
Yes. That is good. Yeah.
Quiet everyone. The fact that God created us for mainstream doesn't mean that we are slaves to them.
Actually, we are here to support each other.
Yes.
That means I don't know how to cook, just like the way you guys don't know how to boil common water. So among you guys, who is doing the cooking?
Ah.
Wow. You know what, guys? I will get that settled. So Nancy, just go into the kitchen and do justice to that.
How dare you command me? Wow. What sort of rubbish is that?
You slapped me.
Babe, are you okay? What sort of nonsense is that? Are you normal?
And who's your business with
What?
Did you just slap me?
Yes.
Are you stupid? What sort of nonsense is that? Are you okay?
What sort of rubbish is that?
I don't
mind. Hey! You guys calm down. What's the business? Like... No, you guys, calm down. Is it that you are breastless or you don't have breast? She's gone.
Those guys are handsome.
They are hot. Like, seriously.
Exactly.
That's not even important right now.
So can you tell us what's important?
The most important thing is that let's go down to the estate and go for pooling.
Yeah. That idea is good. Angel, what's wrong with you?
It's actually nothing. It's just that I don't like swimming.
You don't like swimming? If I'm not mistaken, you're also the one that doesn't like group bathing.
But I thought you said you love swimming. So,
yes.
Where do you swim?
Guys, instead of we go swimming, that's wasting of time. Or what do you think? Why don't you just go to those guys' apartments and have a nice time?
Yeah. That would be fine. That's fine.
Like, seriously? I was actually offering my clothes in front of you. No, nice one. We're ready to share it.
Hey, don't kill her yet.
Enough of this drama. At least we've realized our mistakes and we've learned our lessons. We don't take a time to study ourselves before professing love to each other, which is not supposed to be. You don't know our behaviors and we don't know yours either. You know what, guys? I think this is the high time we know the next line of action, which I have an opinion about. Okay, guys, the opinion is that we have to part our ways.
Babe!
Yes! Just keep quiet. Let's call this our so-called relationship. Let's cut it off. What nonsense!
I've loved being a woman, but who am I to question God? This is the only way to please myself. Please, I'm sorry, guys. Babe, please say something.
If not for God that saved me, I would have married a man like...
It's not okay,
man. Take it easy.
Okay.
Everyone is cool. It's cool. You know. Listen, love is cool, but we need some time before we profess our love to each other. You understand?
Oh my God.
Guys, please, let's calm down, please. Well, the deed has been done, so... I actually don't want to do the cooking. Because I want you guys to know the capacity of your so-called girlfriend. I didn't know this would be the outcome. God. Oh, Angel, you really fucked me up big time. Actually, don't think... Oh, God, I cannot even imagine it that you are a cross-dresser, for real.
Please. Can we all just leave, please? Leave! Everybody leave! Leave here! Leave here! Get out! Leave!
Please calm down.
Leave! Now!
Nancy,
Yes?
you are so beautiful.
You're not looking bad also.
You're just making me laugh. Well, there is a question that has been toiling in my heart that I've wanted to tell you. So, the question is, what is your take about love at first sight? What can you say about it?
I know there is love at first sight, but
Yes.
does it last long?
A good question. Is that a rhetorical question? No, I'll give an answer to it. You know what? Ours will last.
Are we dating?
Obviously. You know what? You know what? Okay. I am currently not an organ donor. But because of you, I will cheerfully give you my heart. You are so beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
I love you so much.
Thank you.
What is this? What the hell are you cooking here now? What is this?
What do you mean?
What the hell are you cooking? Off this thing! Off it!
My love, I have searched the ocean, I have searched the river. I have not been able to find an angel like you. Beauty, will you marry me?
But you scared me.
Will you marry me?
Anyways, yes, I'll marry you. Put it on, baby. Put it on.
My God!
Come.
Thank you, baby.
I really love you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Babe, no,
What?
I don't really know what I see in you at the time.
Maybe it's because of something.
Because of what?
Probably because of my beauty, my shape, or
what? Okay, let's say you're beautiful. And you have shape. You have nyash. But I think I know you better.
Thomas, I know you deeply.
Oh, wait, come on.
Guys, can you now see that? It is very important to study each other before professing love to each other.
Hey,
you see?
Bros, make I tell you something. That guy where he talk, that boy where he talk say, he dey behave like gay. If he say na my own side you dey, he don't die. I don't kill him. This one be gay self. Where they do anyhow. I beat him back to back. Oh man, anyway, inside and outside. I beat him. Oh, see, I don't panel pit in your face.
Now, you guys you met yourself at the club, right? Imagine. That is why you need to study each other very well. If you study each other very well, all these fights, we don't need it. You will live happily. Okay?
You need to fight again.
Sorry.
My baby. You need to fight.
Sorry. I know a very fine wife.
Bros, you don't hear.
Sorry, baby.
Yeah, it could be.
Sorry.
You see, it is for us people. Just say.
My face. My body.
Hey, wait, I go call repairing. I go repair you. You will repair your clothes. Let's go. Bro, thank you.
All right.
No come another day. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. You know I love you. We go to club in the night. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, baby. Let's go inside.
Love shouldn't be a tit for tat. I mean, love should be a tit for tit or a tat for tat. Love for love, money for money, not love for money. You know what? Love is absolutely different from infatuation. Infatuation is often a fantasy base, passionate longing for someone else. And that can prevent you from acknowledging their weaknesses, which can land you in an unhealthy situation. But love, on the other hand, love is a beautiful thing. Love is often based in reality. It is pegged on the closeness and the knowledge of the other person. So what are we talking about? Can you now see that love and admiration differs? There is absolutely difference in them. I can say admiration is a subset of love, because some admiration leads to love. Then from there you get married. Then your marriage is not on a solid foundation when you don't study each other. You have to study each other thoroughly. You have to know yourselves, your do's and don'ts. So, can you now see that the usefulness of a cup is in its emptiness? Love is a beauty.